So I'm back at that hidden gem called Texture Mountain Nature Preserve. It is end of May now. Last time I was here, there was no leaves on the trees. But I just got here. Just listen to those nature sounds. It's amazing. I feel so relaxed and at peace. Wow. I'm gonna test out my drone today. I got a drone for my birthday and I'm really excited. Haven't really used it yet. Hopefully I'm okay at flying it. It's foggy and might have some pretty cool shots. Guys, this is not good. I was flying my drone out in this field way up high. Wasn't really getting the hang of the controls and I couldn't get it to come back to me. So I just set it down in the field and now I can't find it. So I'm just gonna have to keep looking. It's really wet. I mean, kind of regret wearing shorts now. Not sure if I'm gonna do this hike. I just gotta, if I find this drone, which I better, I'm just gonna keep practicing. I found it. Now, how do I do this again without making the same mistake? I couldn't figure out how to turn the drone. It would just go to side to side. So I couldn't make it come back to me. It's weird. I don't know what's going on. The one propeller won't turn. There was a piece of grass stuck in it and I thought I pulled it all the way out, but yeah, it seems the one just doesn't seem to be working properly. So I'm gonna have to just take it home and figure out what's going on.